All right, so now we need to learn how to rotate our part, and that's super simple, right? Now, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna close everything, go back to our modules, go back to cars. Let's go back here to the car mode, right? And to rotate here, I'm gonna do something very simple. And the way you rotate the part is basically you do custom event called API rotate part, and is right or something like that. And all you have to do here is that you're gonna get a pre-spawn part, set world rotation. Actually, we need to set actor rotation, and we just need to basically split the structure and get actor rotation. Perfect. And we're going to split the structure. Nice. Now we need just to play with the, let's go back here, we just need to play with this, with the z-axis, right? So the yaw, right? So if you check here, the yaw is z, yeah, this is the right one. We need to just rotate the part, all we have to do. So we need to get this plus, and we need to do a select, right? And this is gonna be basically if he's right or not. If he's right, it's gonna be, let's say 10, otherwise minus 10, right? And then we're just gonna add this one right here to the yaw and rotate the part right and left. So rotate the part right or left. Now I need to double check if my right and my left is right, but I know this is gonna rotate the part. So now what we're gonna do is key press, right? Let's use Z and key press. Actually, people use Q, right? Q, and we can use key press key E, right? Was it E? Perfect. So we can actually add here. Now we can call that this guy here and the implementation that we have here. Rotate part. There's one more thing we have to do, but now we're gonna paste this twice. Yeah, rotate right and left. Last thing we need to do, guys, is just make sure that it's valid, because we may be able to rotate a part that is not valid. All right, file and save. Perfect. Now all you have to do is, oh, let's go back. Yeah, the part. So what happened if I press Q? Oh, nothing is happening, right? And I think, let me double check what is going on. So I think we need to set up the cube rotation rather than the actor rotation. Yes. I think what we can do here is one upgrade, minor upgrade, right? Make sure the cube is the scene route. So because we did this, I have a feeling that this is gonna actually just work, right? So if we go back here and I press Q, you see that works. The problem that we have is that we are trying to set up the wrong rotation. So now we kind of have this kind of working fine. So what's going on here? Like we still have this bug, but you know, that kind of works, so it's fine. And that's good. That's good. It's good. I mean, we could have another thing as well that it doesn't hurt right now. Is it's gonna go back here to our parts, right? Wheel left and wheel right, Okay. Open up here. Now the right one is just instead of, you know, we just do this. It may be counterproductive, but you know, like gives you a little bit of a more flexibility, I would say. So we can rotate the parts, but realistically, we can also create a wheel right and left, or we can even use the same object. We just change the location. To do that, I'm just gonna call this L, and we're gonna duplicate this for wheel S, and it's gonna be R. We add it here. Perfect. Press play. And we're gonna go back. We have R, so that kind of work, and we have L, right? And that works. Nice. I think this is good. This is looking quite good. Now, you see, it's not fitting right into it. We can kind of fix that later on. What we can actually probably do is that we can add an offset to the part, right? But that's not something that we need to worry about this right now, all right? So I want you to get to this part, because in the next one, we're gonna actually have a button that we're gonna press, probably number 3 or something, that will simulate this part. And then we're gonna see what's gonna happen, right? Once again, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I see you on the next one.